Hi everyone, today I'm going to do unboxing of something that I just received. I ordered it from online and it is finally arrived. So let's open this app and see how it looks. It's just a tape. Why does it look like it's difficult to open it? These are the earbuds from Xiaomi, my favorite brand so far. It costs 22 Singapore dollar. It's Redmi Buds active. But I got it a bit cheaper because I used some voucher and points when I bought it. So it cost only $15 Singapore dollars. I bought the white color, but the color is white on the outside and the inside has gold finish. I think it's cute. I like the design and make me feel unique. How do you think? I was so excited to open it while recording the video, and I didn't even notice I opened it from the bottom instead of the top. That's so hilarious. Of course, there is always a manual that nobody reads. Honestly, there is no need to write. Everyone knows how to use earbuds these days. It's so cute. It's charged with a Type-C keypad and comes with white and with a gold finish inside. Now I'm checking if there is a Type-C cable included or not, but unfortunately it only comes with the earbuds. No charging cable or chargers included. Oh my gosh, the earbuds are so cute. I'm going to test these earbuds by playing some music on YouTube. Let's see. I'm trying to connect to the Bluetooth, but it looks like it's not connecting to my device. Let me check again and see what happens. That looks hilarious. Guys, sorry for pausing the video. The Bluetooth was not working because I forgot to remove the cover from the earbuds and the battery. At first, I thought it was no charge, but after I removed the cover, it was not actually meant for the earbuds. They powered on, and now I can connect with my phone. I also forgot to record that. I'm sorry. I am playing my favorite song right now, "Walk With Me" by Tyler Hatch. The song is really nice, but unfortunately you can hear it right now. However, I highly recommend it to everyone who loves good music. I got so caught up in the music that I almost forgot I was unboxing So the sound of the earbuds is amazing. I love it. I really recommend these earbuds for anyone who wears great sound. So highly recommend. Bye.